Today, Grandpa and I are eating Great Depression era food all day. Let's see what it cost us in 2022.
For breakfast, we are having poverty pancakes. This is a very cheap and simple recipe that does not use any eggs, butter, or milk. We will post a link to that video in the comments below. We are having syrup with our pancakes and black coffee. For 2 people, the flour costs 35 cents. The baking powder costs 4 cents. The sugar costs 3 cents. The maple syrup costs 38 cents. The coffee costs 40 cents. The total for breakfast was $1.20.
For lunch, we are having radish sandwiches and beet salad. Radish sandwiches are a great inexpensive springtime meal since radishes are in season. They are delicious with butter and bread. We will post a link to our video for the radish sandwiches in the comments below. We are drinking water. For 2 people, the bread cost $1, the butter cost 20 cents, the radishes cost 60 cents, the beets cost 70 cents, the onion cost 10 cents, the vinegar and oil cost 20 cents. The total for lunch was $2.80.
For a snack this afternoon, we are having peanut butter dainties. These cookies only have 3 ingredients. We will put a link in the comments below. For 2 people, the cookies cost 48 cents.
For dinner today, we are having dandelion salad and butter bean soup. Spring is dandelion season, and dandelions have many beneficial health properties. They make a wonderful spring tonic. During the Great Depression, people picked dandelions so they were a free food. Even today, if you could find them in an area that is not polluted with traffic or lawn chemicals, they can be had for free. We purchased these. Butter bean soup is quick and inexpensive to make. We added some extra ingredients to ours that we had on hand. We will put links to these 2 recipes in the description below. For 2 people, the dandelion salad cost $1. The butter bean soup cost $2.47. The total for dinner was $3.47.
For dessert today, we are having whipped jello. People made whipped jello during the Great Depression as a way of stretching the jello to feed more people. It can double the amount of servings that you get from 1 box of jello. For 2 people, the jello costs 35 cents.
For 2 people, the total for the day was $8.30. Breakfast was $1.20. Lunch was $2.80. The snack, 48 cents. The dinner was $3.47. The dessert was 35 cents. So the total per person was $4.15. So that was very good. That was for 3 meals, a snack, and a dessert. We hope this menu video was helpful for you. I'm posting links to all the recipes in the comments below.